Welcome dear learner. Hope you are fit and fine. Today I am here with few concentration terms such as molarity, molality, formality, normality, weight percentage, volume percentage, parts per million and parts per billion. Sometimes we are confused on these terms. So I am trying to jot down these terms in a single lecture. These terms are very important for solving many numerical problems, and these are also very important as interviewers question. So please don't skip the video till end. If you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for the notification of upcoming videos. Now, what is normality? It is the number of gram equivalent weight of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution, and its unit is equivalent weight per liter, and it is expressed as capital N equals to gram equivalent weight of solute divided by liter of solution. Next is, what is molarity? Molarity is defined as the number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of a solution, and its unit is moles per liter, and it can be expressed as capital M equals to moles of solute divided by liter of solution. Next term is molality. It is the number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 kilogram of solvent. Its unit is moles per kg, and it can be expressed as small m equals to moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg. Next term is formality. It is the number of gram formula weight of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution, and it can be expressed as F equals to formula weight of solute divided by liter of solution. Sometimes it is equal to molarity. In case of glucose, molarity and formality are equal. Next term, what is weight percent? That is percentage W by W. It is defined as 100 times the ratio of weight of solute and weight of solution. It can be expressed as percentage W by W equals to 100 into weight of solute divided by weight of solution. Next is, what is volume percentage? That is percentage V by V. It is defined as 100 times the ratio of volume of solute and volume of solution. It can be expressed as percentage V by V equals to 100 into volume of solute divided by volume of solution. Next, what is weight to volume percent? That is percentage W by V. It is defined as 100 times the ratio of weight of solute and volume of solution, and it can be expressed as percentage W by V equals to 100 into weight of solute divided by volume of solution. Now, what is parts per million? That is ppm. It is the ratio of gram of solute and 10 to the power 6 grams of solution. It can be expressed as ppm equals to gram of solute divided by 10 to the power 6 gram of solution. Now, what is parts per billion? ppb. It is the ratio of gram of solute and 10 to the power 9 gram of solution. ppb equals to gram of solute divided by 10 to the power 9 gram of solution. Thank you for watching. We will meet again in next video. Till then, bye bye.